How to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application here and wait for it, and then it will lead you here directly to your camera. The next thing is on the upper left, you will see your profile there. Just tap on that and it will lead you here. So if you scroll down, you want to go to the friends section, and there are two options such as add friends and my friends. Tap on my friends, and here you will see all your friends, all you have your mutual friends, both on contacts and Snapchat. So the next thing is you can't see a specific number how many friends you have. So all you have to do is to count how many friends you have here, and basically that is how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. Now, if it doesn't work for you, make sure to check if you have updated your Snapchat application. And to do that, you may want to go to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. And if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. Now, if it's updated, you can now go back and do the same process again. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.